Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz GLC. So from any screen, there you go, you've got media telephone across the top, or we can click store. In the store, again, you've got icons there. So whichever way you want to do it, onto telephone, you've got connect device and options at the bottom here. So just click back and it highlights the bottom menu again, and you connect device. I know it's going against the grain because you're deleting it. Turn the thumbnail to the phone that you want, showing this icon at the side, click across. It's now onto that icon and brings a separate menu. Deauthorize, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device? Yes. That's it, gone.